Hi everybody! In this new series I show you how to turn a cardboard box into a real mouse mansion. Important! In this tutorial I use some serious tools. Always use the help of an adult. To make a real mouse mansion, it is useful to use a fruit box, like an orange box or a banana box. I want to make 4 rooms and a hall. So first I have to make the different floors with cardboard. To measure how big they should be, I lay a piece of paper at the bottom of the box and measure it off. There's an extra layer of cardboard there, which should be the size of the other floors. Cut out the paper, trace it twice on a piece of cardboard and then cut the cardboard out. I cut the sides of the box with a knife, but you could also just leave the box the way it is. Now you have 2 trays that have to be stuck to the box. I stick the cardboard to the box with some pieces of paper. This does not have to be done really neatly because you will paste over it with wallpaper. I stick the cardboard about halfway, but if you want to make an attic, for example, you can also stick it a bit higher. I use wood glue that dries up transparent. Now do the same on the other side of the box. Alright, now we are going to make a hall in the middle of the box. Later I will make a staircase and a door there. Measure with a ruler how high and how wide the wall should be and mark this on a piece of cardboard. Cut out the cardboard and stick it to the box the same way as the floors. Now you have the foundation of your mouse mansion. I quickly show you how to cover up the white paper with wallpaper, but I also have another video about this, showing different types of wallpaper and paneling. I have already finished the foundation of my mouse mansion. You can see how the floors and walls can be made in these videos. Next week we will continue with these little rooms and I will show you how to make beams, windows, doors and this staircase.